Hi, let me begin my presentation. Let me introduction myself. My name is Rainaldi. I am the second semester student of Biology Education Program UM Pontianak. Today, I like to talk to you about cell. My presentation is in 3 parts. Okay, so let's start with definition cell, structure cell, and function cell. Number one, definition cell. Cell comes from the Latin word cella, which means a small room, which was discovered by Robert Hooke, who observed the co-incusion in biology. Cell are the simple collection of matter that can live and is the building block of all living things. Cells are able to carry out all activity, live, and most of the chemical reaction to sustain life take place in the cell. Most living things are composed of a single cell, also known as organism, unicellular, bacteria, and amoeba. Other living things, including plant, animal, and humans, are multicellular organisms consisting of many types special in their recipient function. The human body, for example, is composed of more than 2013 cells. However, the whole body of all organisms comes from the product one all division. For example, the body bacteria comes from the division of the parent bacterial cell, while the mouse body comes from the division of the parent fertility cell. Number 2, structural cell. Cells are divided into 2 main groups, namely prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. A. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell that do not have a nucleus. In some literature, prokaryotes are also defined as cells that do not have membrane enclosed organelle. Prokaryotic cells are the cells that make up several types of organisms, namely all types of unicellular organisms. There are at least 6 structures that make up prokaryotic cells, namely the plasma membrane, cytoplasma, ribosome, and genetic material. Apart from that, other parts of prokaryotic cell are the cell wall and flagella. B. Eukaryotic cell are defined as cells that contain an organized nucleus and organelles enclosed by enclosed organelles. Example of eukaryotic cell are plants, animal, protista, fungi. Their genetic material is arranged in chromosome, Golgi, apparatus, mitochondria, ribosome, nucleus are the parts of eukaryote in cell. In eukaryotic cell, there are the following cell parts: cellular, membrane, cell, nucleus, cytoplasma, cell wall. Number 3, function cell. Cell have their respective function in order to maintain the survival of living things or organisms. Cell have function, but in general and in particular, and the following are the function of the cell. Cell function in general seek and obtain O2 and nutrient from the internal uniform, remove waste and CO2 resulting from chemical reaction, carry out various chemical reaction in such a way that then converts O2 and nutrient into energy for cell. Sensitive and resistive to change in the environment around the cell. Most cell can reproduce so that if there is damage to a cell, it can replace with a new cell, controlling the change of substance that occur between cell and the internal uniform. And that's my presentation for today. In brief, I have convert cell. Well, that is my presentation. Thanks for watching. See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we will explain about the ecosystem.
An ecosystem consists of a number of living organisms and their physical environment. The living organisms and their non-living environment are interrelated and interact with each other. There is a flow of energy from the non-living organisms to the living organisms. There are a number of material cycles, that is, exchange of materials between living and non-living parts.
When we study an ecosystem, we can report analyze its component, and we can analyze its process. There are 6 major components in an ecosystem.
Number 1. Inorganic substance, such as carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, water, carbon dioxide. Number 2. Organic compounds, such as protein, carbohydrates. The organic and inorganic substance is an ecosystem regulator, the work of the whole system. And number 3. Climate and other physical factors. Temperature, wind, light, and rain are important physical factors they affect all the process in an ecosystem.
Number 4, production. Only green plants are able to manufacture food from simple inorganic substance. In the process known as photosynthesis, green plants in the light of the sun combine carbon dioxide and water and produce carbohydrate. Number 5, consumers. Consumers obtain their energy from the green plant. Herbivores such as goat and sheep eat green plant but do not eat other animals. They are called primary consumers, carnivora, such as dogs and cats, feed on the other animal and are called secondary consumers. Number 6, discompers, such as bacteria and fungi. Discompers break down the tissues and excreta of other organisms. Bacteria break down the flesh of dead animals. Fungi break down plant material. They enable chemical substance to return to the physical uniform. That's all from our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.